Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. With the weather warming up, I thought I'd make some sweet condensed milk and strawberry ice cream. Let's get right into it. On medium heat, start with 270 grams of heavy cream, 270 grams of whole milk, and 280 grams of condensed milk. Whisk everything together and bring it to a simmer. Once the milk simmers, we're going to temper our 6 egg yolks by gradually adding the hot milk to the egg yolks. You want to use at least half of the hot milk for this step. Tempering helps bring the yolks up to the temperature of the milk without cooking the yolks too fast and leaving you with chunky egg bits. Add the tempered egg yolks to the pot and whisk over medium-low heat until it thickens. When it has the consistency of a melted milkshake, you want to remove it from the heat and cool it down. Next, add your cooled base to your ice cream machine. Mine freezes in the machine, but some don't, so follow the manufacturer's recommendations. While the machine's working, we're going to make our strawberry sauce. Start by adding 300 grams of strawberries, 30 grams of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice to a pan and cook over medium-low heat. Now that your ice cream's done, you can layer it in a container with your strawberry sauce to make a strawberry swirled ice cream. Thanks for watching, guys. Tag me on Instagram at @AChefAndASpoon if you make any of my dishes. For the full recipe, check the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'd love to know if there are any other dishes you would like to see next. Have a good one.